WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.1 is a set of guidelines and standards for making web content more accessible to people with disabilities. These guidelines are developed by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, and are designed to help web developers and designers create websites that are usable by as many people as possible, including those with disabilities such as visual impairments, hearing impairments, cognitive impairments, and motor impairments. WCAG 2.1 includes a set of guidelines and success criteria for making web content more accessible. These guidelines are organized under four main principles: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust, POUR. The guidelines include specific recommendations for making text, images, videos, and other content more accessible, as well as recommendations for designing user interfaces and navigation that are more usable for people with disabilities. WCAG 2.1 is an update to the previous version, WCAG 2.0, and includes new success criteria for things such as captioning, sign language interpretation, and more. WCAG 2.1 has 38 success criteria, which are organized into four main principles: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust, POUR. Each success criteria is assigned a level of conformance, AA or AAA. The perceivable principle has 12 success criteria, which ensure that web content is presented in a way that can be perceived by users, including those with visual, auditory, and cognitive disabilities. The operable principle has 12 success criteria, which ensure that web content is easy to navigate and use, including for users with motor and cognitive disabilities. The understandable principle has 8 success criteria, which ensure that web content is easy to understand and operate, including for users with cognitive and learning disabilities. The robust principle has 6 success criteria, which ensure that web content can be interpreted by a wide range of user agents, including assistive technologies, and that it is robust enough to be extended in the future. WCAG 2.1 is an update to the previous version, WCAG 2.0, and includes new success criteria for things such as captioning, sign language interpretation, and more.